let's talk about male dominance.
Right.
क्योंकि 60 साल 70 साल 80 साल they are all the actors who are just heroes themselves. वही हीरोज़ हैं, वही मूवी बना रहे हैं, वो हीरो सदियों से हैं, हम लोग देखते आ रहे हैं. किसी का नाम अगर बोलेंगे तो ये हीरो ही है भाई, ये कोई और एक्टर बन ही नहीं सकता, ये तो हीरो है, बस हीरो. तो व्हाट हैपेंस टू हीरोइंस?
आई फील लाइक अभी बदल रहा है, अभी जाके थोड़े दिन इतने सालों बाद अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा तो प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है जितना आई कैन सी. आई लव द वे पीपल रिस्पॉन्डेड टू लापता लेडीज. आई थिंक दैट स्पोक
Amazing.
वॉल्यूम्स.
Yes.
I was a personal fan. I really loved
Yes,
it.
yes.
I loved the reaction for Gangubai Kathiawadi. I
Yes,
think that
yes.
was amazing. And similarly in many more movies as I mean that I could think of. But again, पहले पहले जो होता था कि it was only a male dominated industry. True, in a way there it was like that, and I think so many stars who've done it as well have spoken about it. It was, I think some people spoke about how it comes with a lot of market value. Movies were made considering कि this particular star can bring these many audiences back. So it's a business at the end of the day. So I think that is what was considered before. अब जाके I think times are changing. बस जो एक चीज़ जो मुझे अभी भी खनकती है ना मन में कि ऐसा क्यों है कि when a woman oriented movie is made, the audience only doesn't come and watch it. जितना मैंने देखा है, it's on us also as an audience. I'm speaking on audience perspective. इतना अच्छा मूवी बनता है लेकिन फिर भी लोगों का जो रिस्पॉन्स होता है, it is still in that mindset. तो कहीं ना कहीं even people making that film is not wrong ना. जो audience respond कर रही है उसी के basis पे तो film बन रहा है. अभी गुंजन सक्सेना was a very nice movie.
Yes.
Of course it ran well as well, but I feel like it could have done better if you ask me as a personal audience. Millie, a movie of Janvi, it was a wonderful movie. It was led by a female. It had a very good message. It had a very good concept. But again, when I speak to a few friends, half of them don't even know the name. मतलब नाम मिली कि कौन सा movie है पूछते हैं. तो it's a woman oriented movie. Why are we not supporting? And it's not about women supporting other women. It's I think about opening our mind now as an audience as well to accept both male and women oriented movies.
Okay.
So it's also on the audience. I'm not blaming anybody here. I'm saying all of us together, if we come to a decision where we accept everything that's coming, content is accepted openly, then any movie will run if it's accepted well. So I think on that basis, I feel. But हाँ, male dominance जो रहा है, I think थोड़ा भी कम हो रहा है. I'm hoping कि आगे जाके और कम हो. पूरा नहीं हुआ है, but I'm hoping कि it comes to a place where everything's balanced. A good balance is a good for everything.
Awesome. You spoke really well. Nice insights. Thank you for that. So let's talk about other things other than the challenges themselves. Let's come to a little bit of reality. हम लोगों को डिग्री करना होता है, फिर उसके बाद जॉब ढूंढना होता है, फिर उसके बाद फैमिली, वो सब. These are the basic things that we all have in our minds. तो do you think acting ऐसे एक करियर जैसे हम ले सकते हैं?
So
full time
career, though it's difficult to say because even at home everybody supports. But I'll be honest, I'm doing my MBA right now. On the side by side, I'm also doing my acting. I'm trying to figure where I stand as an actor. So it is an uncertain industry. You can't just enter saying हाँ full time करना है, full time हो जाएगा. बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. आपको अगर एक बैकअप हो आपके माइंड में तो शायद ये आगे जा सकता है. Yeah, it's a very good thing to be massively, crazily passionate about something. So am I. But along with that also comes a little extra worry. I don't have a direct link. And even if you do have a direct link, it depends on you as an actor. It depends on the talent you have as an actor.
When you say direct link, what is it?
I mean, what I mean is I don't have a direct free entry path, a direct link or a direct contract which will take me into that and, give me 10, 20 more contracts. I think nobody has that kind of a direct link. It depends on you as an actor, but how talented you are at the end of the day. But even if I personally believe, even if you do get a first break, a second break, you can't say that you would sustain into the industry so long that there is no backup plan at all. So it's always better to have a degree, or it's always better to have a backup plan. I'm not saying degree is everything, but having a backup plan, knowing what you do with your life if things go haywire on the other side is what matters as well.
Okay.
So definitely never enter completely. Don't enter the pool when you don't know swimming completely. It's like that. I don't know that kind of swimming in the industry yet. I'm still learning. So I'm still doing my MBA on the side. So
okay, super.